To you or good morning, good afternoon, depending your location. It's not easy, but it can be easy. Ah, maybe small thing. Fine, I miss you now. I don't think. I don't know now because I never come since na I make una no dey share my video again. Una no dey follow me. Una no dey even comment for my post. Check am now. E no dey good though. Una small boy go dey beg on every day. Make una help me now. Una I don become a beggar. Make una support my government now. I go read well oh. I dey beg una. So once again, I really appreciate my active members. I really appreciate. One kpoja for you. For the upcoming, the people that will join us soon, the people that will subscribe today, I'm waiting. I recommend una all. Thank you. Another thing I wan beg una, abeg, you know say as we dey, we learn every day. No be small thing, we learn every day. You say na Igbo traditional masquerade and culture agoro, but if very sure I go turn am to Igbo traditional masquerade and culture agoro Africa as a whole, because na Africa we be. So e no get as the B go be. Me no go fit turn to triple B. Na im make am B. You get am? So I dey beg una, as una dey follow me for here, make una also follow me for the other of my YouTube channel, Mr. Talk to Me. I'm a content creator. I know say we are upcoming, but nevertheless, na una go make me become somebody tomorrow. Without una, I no go fit do anything o. Na una be my backbone. My Spider-Man na una, Spider-Woman na una. I dey beg una. I know say I no get better phone to do this video, to make it more bright and quality, but una can manage me as una see me. I know say money no dey, I no get, and everything hard for me to tell una abeg make una help me make I buy better phone. But I know say one day, e go happen. But what I'm trying to beg, abeg, make una just, if I put video, if una no like am, make una comment, tell me say this one is not good. This one, something happen o. Something this I go appreciate am well. Abeg, make una no dey keep me silent. Abeg. You know say na when two head come together, na the plan go dey more achiever. You get? They go form something great. But one head alone can never make it. E go make am o, but e no go dey that balance. You get? So I'm pleading on behalf of myself and everything I'm doing on this channel. Please, I'm begging, support me, share my video, share to friends, families. This is my spread and culture. I say that I will put some of my comedy here for una to laugh small na. You know say no be every day they go dey watch entertainment, dancing, vlogging and chasing, or those this and this. You get? But what I'm still begging, please help me. I know say I never come up. I still be upcoming. We still dey come up. You know say if you not take one step, you no go fit jump to number 3. Now first, second, third. From that third, you go to the fourth one. From the fourth one, you will still keep climbing. Because I believe in myself, I can never give up. As far as say na me use my hand start this thing, open am, start the comedy own, open am, dey do am. I can never give up until I get to that destination. I no go fit go back. So I know say on myself, I get the mind, the ododo. Wetin I'm begging you guys for you to support me. If you watch my video, please kindly comment. I know say all those video, e get wetin e dey teach. If you no understand, you can comment tell me say dey ask me wetin dis one dey talk, wetin dis one dey yarn, wetin dis masquerade dey yarn. Na men, girls, na we dey here. Women, mummy and daddy, na we dey here. Pikin no dey here, you get. All of us don grow. We go explain things for each other. If una even want make I drop my WhatsApp line here, make we dey chat to WhatsApp, I will do it for my fans to be very much alive for my video and my con ten t. Please, I'm begging you guys. I dey for Facebook, Igbo Masquerade Agoro. Na my Facebook name be that. And my comedy name for that Facebook is Mr. Talk to Me only. Mr. Talk to Me. Please, I dey TikTok, I dey Instagram. I'm begging for your support. It's not easy, but you guys can do it for me. I know say a sị na nwanne ka eji aka, Igbo enwere eze. Ọ bụrụkwa mgbe nwanne fụrụ nwanne ya n'anya nke nkwudolie. Mana anọ m na nwanne na-egbuzi nwanne, mana ọ bụrụ fa anyị. We are here to support each other. I believe that if I see tomorrow where I can help any one of you, I will do it. I know say I never get money, but money go come. We get that wisdom, say money go come. I beg, I'm still pleading. Watch my video, share it, and once again, comment. Another one will be say, all these things make people they talk say Masquerade is not good, Masquerade is not good. Who said that? Who they talk that thing? Check am now. You there for city for how many years? Only once me go come for villa, come look around. You go come see better much entertainment they go. You go say you go talk say na village lifestyle. Oga, okwute rigolo enu ga-arịtu ala. You dey hear me so? Okwute rigolo enu ga-arịtu ala. Stone make dey throw go up, go land for ground back. You no go there for that up. So wetin I dey try tell una, if you know say you dey city, you no dey hide anything about your village, it's not good. I will not support you to do that. I will not advise you to do that. You know why? If something happen tomorrow, check am now. Who will dey with you? Who go guide you? That your friends for there fit not help you. If you call them, they go tell you say they busy. I dey on business trip. I dey on this. I don't want to come out today. This one. But if say you dey attend, one thing again be say, if you dey attend all those things, no go dey, if you no dey take food, or if you wan comot like this, you get wetin the Igbo dey call am akụ inu. Abeg, I no sabi English. You get wetin dey call akụ inu, carry am put for mouth. If you put am for mouth, go where you wan go. No matter wetin people do, wetin dey do for charm to penetrate, e no dey work. You dey hear me so? You no go fit work. Or you carry oboroko, you bend am, put for your back pocket. Go for the entertainment. If na burial, if you reach there, greet the people. Tell them, I hear wetin happen. Sorry, this and this. You go. So when something go happen, but God forbid, everything no go happen to us. But when something go alive on your own chamber, you go get people may go come stay with you, dey with you, console you, cry with you. You dey get me so? I know say I feel dey too small to talk this, but I need to say it. This is what is happening to our society now. You go come, you go say you be city guy. I no blame myself, I be village boy. Na be the one thing. If you say I be city guy, I fit dey behave like una. But I no go behave too much like that. For those who dey city, who no dey even put eye back to see what is happening at home. Is not I no advise you, dat one no dey good. Check am now, e no dey good. Una go dey try dey look back home, dey see wetin dey happen. In case of tomorrow, person go fit look back for you. If something happen, if na emergency, if even though you no fit reach house, call for phone, hello, technology don make everything dey easy for us. Hello, hey, na mama Chinyere, mama Nkechi, mama Somto, I heard what happen oo, very sorry, so sorry for dat. I can't make it today but I will come next week. Dat thing nwere ife o mean, dat thing have gone a long way. The woman or the man will say, oh, this man or this guy, this lady, this girl is so caring and understandable. Sorry if my English not dey correct, we no go school. So, like I was saying, you check am for there now. The thing, if you come there, look am. When you come tell dat person sorry, other faces dey see you. Dey say, yes, dis man dey come oo. Oh, dis man dey come oo. If something come happen or you wan do something for your place, you go see people make go full to help you do something. You no go feel am sef. You no go even notice say you dey do anything because a helping hand go full everywhere. Let's help ourselves. That is what this my topic is trying to put today. I know say I no go school, I no dey feel right topic for there, but I'm trying to tell you with this my mouth, this my balloon wey dey come out. I dey try to tell una, abeg, let's leave this thing, wetin dey call am, over grabbing, over proud. E no go lead us anywhere. You dey get? Over proudness no go lead us anywhere. Over street, like here two streets, you can't, if you say this one, you can't go back. This one, man of your words. Okay? E get time make you go reach for that man. The man go dey weak oo. Another person go be your man. Check am how e go be that time if you no dey do that person well. Check am now. Just calculate this thing. You plus am, minus am, come divide am, balance am, check am. Wetin e go give you? They go leave you behind. They no go even send your face. No matter the kind money me like me dey spend for the community, they no go send your face. They go tell you say, ọ dị mma n'ezi amalụ ndị befa, ọ dị mma n'ezi amalụ ụnọ. Something like that. You say e good for outside, but for your society, your community, e no good for them. So therefore you should go and call those people that you are good to. I'm telling you guys, we need to do something for something not to do us. A sị okenye adịghị anọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ogbe. Like our forefathers, our grandfathers. You know say, e get wetin papa go sit down now dey tell pikin. You no go fit understand am. If you dey talk am sef, you go think say na motor dey run for your ear. But when you go notice that thing, that time your papa don, if he don old well, if he don even the person fit don go sef join the ancestor, that thing go come reflect in your oblongata, mendro oblongata. By that time you go say, oh, that time if he don dey late for you, if he don dey late for you. Once again, I thank those people that are joining me, those people that is liking my video. Thank you. I really appreciate. You know, see, I'm supposed to call the names, but I not go school because Philo, Pete. Hey, Jesus, I not go school. Mona no mind. Mona no vex for me. I not go school, but I really appreciate every one of you. I really appreciate. Thank you so very much for joining me. Thank you for liking my video. Thank you for sharing, because I know you guys will share my video. Share my video. Share my video. And I go share on our own. Oh. I go share on our business if una send and give me. I go dey do am. If na only wetin I fit dey do for una, because I never get money, na una go make me, una go stand me. Without una, wetin I know, with God and una, na everything don soft. Everything don dey soft, you get. But under the same process, ka nsụ hapụ nnala anyị okwu. Akwa ịghọta. Ka nsụ hapụ nnala anyị okwu. A sị na Igbo na-ekwu n'onu n'onu eziokwu. Ịfụ nwa afọ Igbo ị ga-ama. Ọ gaghị eshi aka n'ime gwa gị ya. So, like I was saying before, by that time, things go dey very difficult for the person. So, we should learn how to manage and how to welcome people around us. Let's know how to welcome people around us. And the get another thing, make something, you go the bad well, the bad, you go the bad. It be like say somebody not their house again, things they happen like that. That one is this. You go there as an adult for your house. For your house. Your pikin, your wife, everybody for the family go dey fear you. Check am now. Are you a masquerade? Igbo mmanwụ. Ka njụọ gị, are you a masquerade? Igbo mmanwụ. Ndị Igbo unu ga na-eji na-agbara gị ọsọ. Your people go dey fear you, they run for you. They run for you. No only me one no go run for you. If you dey here, I go tell you, pump and pray. I no go run for you. If you be that kind father, abeg stop am. E no good. E no good. When you come to your house, call your children. You know, they fit dey run for you, no be say you are too wicked o. No be say you dey do this one, you dey do that one. But it's because of e don get one thing me e don do. Make they go use take dey fear you anyhow. E fit be say you go dey beat your wife every day. Check am now. If you love a woman, you marry am. You marry the woman with your money. You go pay dowries. Pay finish for the village. Carry am come your house. Come drop am back. You come get one or two issues. You go come lay hand. Knack am. Beat am. Oga, you no love that woman in the first place. Quote it anywhere. I will stand to defend myself. If in a lie, prove me wrong. You no love that woman. I'll tell you one thing. The woman, what they call love. Love is for enduring, caring, defending each other, not beating each other. Fighting for each other, not fighting yourself. You dey get? And sacrifice. And at times, love no dey enough. That time, sacrifice go enter. That time, feelings go enter. But may I tell you, say, I feel like staying with you. No be say I can die with you. I'm telling you. Okwu na-ewepụta okwu. So, if you be that kind man, make the raise hand like this, beat your wife, or slap am, or do anything, abuse the woman, is not good. Abeg stop am. You dey get am? Stop am. If you no understand me today, but I pray that you will understand me tomorrow. Biko, I'm begging, I'm pleading. It's not a command, it's not a force. But if you go take say, may I do am first, I go do am. But one be say you go only arrest me, you no go kill me. But what I know that I'm telling you the right thing to do. I'm not abusing you. You dey get? So under the same process, we be telling the woman, may if e husband talk one, e go talk 21. Bia, you woman, na see una dey do when una dey date? May I ask you? I dey ask you, answer me. Na so you dey do with the man wey una dey date? Okwu ofu equal 200. Okwu 200 equal 350. Ọnụ ga na-agba ka ọkpaka. Ewo n'isi aka ka emechie gị the boot. Itiwe mkpu egbuo m. You go kill me today. You go kill me today. Mo we dey help ourselves. Women, mo dey help ourselves. Check am like this. Your husband come now, you get am upset, e dey shout, e dey holla, e dey para. Wetin dey for you? Baby, I'm sorry. I will not do it again. Go to am, plead with am. If you say the man no dey hear word, kneel down, tell am, baby, I'm sorry, I will not do it again. You hold am for heart. Go back there, hug am. Baby, I'm truly sorry. It's a mistake. I will not repeat it again. It's a mistake. That man or that boy no be idiot. E no be idiot, even though say na devil brain e get. That devil brain dey hear word. You go understand. Ihe o nwere ike mee, everyday una go dey make person dey vex, everyday una dey make person dey vex. Ọ pụọ baa ime room. Ọ baa bacha mba. Another thing me go hear, baby, food dey house, una don settle. You go eat. If you eat, una go enter room, sleep tomorrow. Una continue where una stop. But no be that thing go come make you, being a man or being a woman, you no go come understand the key to your husband heart. The man, you no go come understand the key to your wife heart. It's not proper. It's not proper. Why they put dating? You see, before marriage, they go do boyfriend and girlfriend. Abi, I did they correct Abi? Because me, I never sure say I don't dey get girlfriend. I be like say I don't get girlfriend. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I don't get girlfriend. But let I go check. If I check, I go tell you. So when I go do boyfriend and girlfriend first, we wanna do boyfriend and girlfriend. Una go come do wetin they call that one? Love in the air. Love me, I love. Wetin they call that second one after boyfriend and girlfriend? Date me, night dating. You know, go come do the other one. Make they go for restaurant, Abi. And for night like this, you go share me you dress and wear. When I go come go restaurant, that one make they do there. You go come tell you, from the first time I see you, baby, you win my heart. And since that time, I can no longer concentrate because your face and your feelings is moving my brain. I can no longer concentrate without you in my side. Baby, from this moment and this junction, I want you to be the queen of my heart. I want you to be the angel that I see every night and morning, every day of my life. Baby, I want you to be the mother of my kids. Check am. Una go do that one finish. Do am finish. Before that day, me go come do am openly. You go come kneel down. Baby, will you marry me? From the first day I meet you in that junction, make they sell orange, I feel like I'm mad. I'm madly in love with you. Baby, from that day, I can never see myself as a man because you are the man in me. Baby, from that day, I can no longer function well because you are the key to my gearbox. I can never function well because you are the oil that you put on my oil seal. I can never function well because you are the oil that you will put in that fiber to move that vehicle. Baby, please, on this agenda, I want you to be the mother of my kings and queens. For that time, the love don't begin. Oh, when I go come the love. Hey, when they call that name love, it be like say I go dey in love very soon. No, because that name dey sweet. Sham na love, love. Some go put mouth like this. Love, love, love. You go come down, love. I love you. I can say, baby, I love you. Hey, Jesus, my brain done they do sugar and cane. Okay, from that atmosphere, everywhere go come the hot, the hot, the hot. People go there clap, quack, 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 quack. Hey, hey, pictures you go to enter. When I go to enter internet, check them. When I do boyfriend finish, do love. After love, when I do the other one. After the other one, when I do the other one. Tell me why that relationship no go last. Why would that relationship not last? When I go come do all those things finish. When I go come last only 1 month. Check am now. Check am. Ọ bụrụ for o nwere ike ọ bụrụ because the man bụ iron face. Mgbọrọgwụ gbachara n'ihu the man. Look today the man face. If the girl turn like this, look am, you go dey see mgbọrọgwụ. Na I go make am say I no want again, divorce me. Or say the woman go come like this, e no go dey cook food. Woman abeg, orechi unu na-efe. Fear God small. Fear God small. Things dey good, mana ife na-adị mma n'oke na-abụ. You dey get? I'm talking to you out of experience. I'm very small, but I don see so many things in this life. Forget say I dey here now. I don see so many. I don see things, see beans, see rice, even see garri, oyibo food na garri, I see am too. If I grow rich like this, I don see fuck me, I fuck you bullshit. I don see am. I see am with my eye. But what I'm trying to tell you, I'm not trying to impress you. I'm not trying to make you feel horrible. I'm not trying to make you feel bad, feel sad, but I'm trying to put something in your skull for you to understand that that thing is not proper. It's not a good thing to do. When you are doing it, are you checking for the background? For those who don't born, you go come in the night, drink finish, come dey beat your wife. At times you no go drink, you go come, your wife go talk, you go knack and slap, bawa, shamankwe. Good and budi. Your children go dey look you. Check am. Your children go dey look you. Na-ene gị anya. Iticha ya ife, apụọ. Ndị ga-eso mommy be akwa eso mommy be akwa. Ndị daddy's boy abịakwute daddy otu ife. Bịakwute daddy. Daddy, you are too strong. Daddy neko. Remember. You know say your life is on that woman's hand. Your life, men, I'm talking to you guys particularly. Your life dey for women hand. You know why? That food me go chop that night, you beat am finish. Check am when you don beat that woman finish, you come vex. Go carry sniper pour for that food, you chop or die. You go still come for spirit to comfort. You go come beat am for your spirit realm. Oshi, thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you, every one of you. Thank you all. Check am. You go beat woman, still sit down, he offer you food, he eat. Make we dey ask ourselves question. Stop beating your wife. It's not a good thing. If you no love that woman, no even marry her. Because if love dey there, you no go raise your hand beat am. Na who no love person dey beat am. Even though your pikin sef, if you love am, you go give am advice. Ọ na-abụ etie ife otu a sị ewere aka nri aka ekpe tie nwatakịrị ihe, ewere aka nri kpakọta ya gụgụọ ya akwa. That pikin e brain go balance well because e dey learn more everyday. But dis our own I no dey understand am. Me myself, I go come marry tomorrow now or I come get girlfriend tomorrow, come raise my hand beat am. Even the one wey we dey do since 29 sef, 2009, I never raise my hand open my mouth shout for am sef. If you see as you dey go, you go think say na brothers and sisters. People go dey look who make people jealous of your family, make people jealous of your family, make people talk of your relationship, your marital life, make it as good as hell. People go dey look, hey, I love dis thing, I go marry. I like as dey dey do, I will do like dat. Their marriage is too good. Their marriage is too is too nice, is over good. Oh, I love dis family. They are so caring. They are looking for them. They are looking out for themselves. No be say dis one go dey go dis side, dis one go dey go dat side. Dat is not marriage. Dat is not love. Dat is love. No be love. No be love. No be love. Dat one na love. Na vow. No be love no dey there, na vow. Dat one na vow. I dey tell you vow. Na im be dat one. Abeg I'm begging you guys, make una dey try do something. At times, if you look at your wife or you offend am by, you know say we dey get mouth at times. At times we go insult person like dis, even im face go change to expire yogurt. When you don yab your wife, you don insult am, yab am finish, the woman no fit think well again. Tomorrow, don't hesitate to buy gift, beg am for forgiveness. Oga, when you beg somebody for forgiveness when you wrong the person, you go see say you be free, your heart go dey free. You go fit bring new things to yourself. You go fit think well. You go fit do new things. But if you no dey do dat kind stuff, you go offend person, dey wait make the person fit come beg you on top. Oga, the day wey thunder go fire you, the pant wey you go wear, e don tear finish. AC go from front, back, left side and under dey enter. So dat thunder, if e land on your doorstep, evaporation everywhere. Even your face, you no go fit understand am. If you dey look your face, you go dey ask who be dis former village ancestors. I'm telling you the fact. Biko, let's do dis thing. Let's do it. It will help us and e go help our family. I no dey like dis thing, person go marry today, tomorrow dey go hear say dey don divorce. E no go even reach 1 week. Now, the marriage wey I see yesterday, na just 3 days marriage. The 4th day, na divorce enter am. Everybody don go. Check am na. E no good. What are we trying to teach the young people that is growing up? What are we trying to teach the young and vibrant, brilliant youth that is coming up? That marriage is not a good thing. Because of that, so many don cancel marriage for their life. I follow do am o, but I come talk to myself. I am man of myself. I not be mother of somebody. I go do what is right and leave others for God. So I go marry. Love am. If I love you, if you not love me, I go go your place. How can you use your own kill me? I no go touch you, I no go beat you. I go just open up for you. Baby, do you love me? Yes. If the day me you love me, don't tire to love me. I no dey hold you. You are free to go. Go. But to me, I go remain like this. If he, as far as you don't born for me, wetin again I dey find outside. I go can carry that one. Dey fight, dey hustle, dey take care of am, give am good health, give am good life, train am, give am good home training. Dat one na matter a lot. I'm begging you, begging all my fans. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. No worry, when my channel go grow, I go find manager and PA. Make go dey help me. We go dey pull right up, dey talk. For now, I no sabi right. Na only onukwube na I sabi. Onukwube. I don't know when I go repent o. My repentance e dey far, but na only una go help me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. But I want to get an apartment. I need una support o. I need an apartment. This village don tire me. I need to relocate. So na una help I need. Make una support me. Help me any way you can. Please. Please. And you are free to comment on put your comments in my comment section. Anyhow, I no get money. But I don't know whether na the apartment dey important for me. I be na laptop and phone for editing and video capturing. Anyone may una go fit do for me. I need una help. But I no fit hide am again. E don hold me. E don hold me. But once again, ka nsị hapụ nnara anyị okwu, everything dey chamkpa, but abeg, men, women, let's respect ourselves. Ka anyị tinye onwe anyị in a lightful situation wey go fit make us go far in life. Because na this too much of family issues dey make men die early. E dey make some women die. You know, say anyị nwa bụ nwoke adịghị ibe anyị na-anọ ofu ebe. And mgbe anyị megidere onwe anyị ochegide nwụọ, anyị aga dubata nke bụ ukwu venza. Anyị dubatazie, by that time of jiri ukwu kwogbuo gị, enwụọ nke gị nyanwe vuruzi ukwu ya, ga dubata nwoke dịka iron. Nke ahụ God, no not talk wetin nke a go use iron do for am. Because e go be nukupus and tukupus. E go be nyuku nko. Hey, Ndindore. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you once again. I really appreciate. I'm signing out. That is period. Period. I beg, more and not forget to join me. My Mr. Talk to Me page, Facebook. Mr. Talk to Me YouTube channel. And Igbo Masquerade Agoro Facebook. The same Mr. Talk to Me TikTok. Igbo Masquerade Agoro TikTok. So we dey everywhere. I get many videos on that TikTok. You can follow me, share it, comment. The day make I go get better phone, I go to enter that TikTok again. Please, I need your support. I need your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you some other time. Thank you.